Boating terminology. A pleasure craft means a boat, a ship, a vessel, or any other description of a watercraft that is used exclusively for pleasure and does not carry passengers or goods for hire, reward, remuneration, or any other profit. A power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. A sailing vessel means any vessel under sail, provided that propelling machinery, if fitted, is not being used. Bow, the forward part of a pleasure craft. Stern, the back end of a pleasure craft. Starboard, the right side of a pleasure craft when looking forward. Port, the left side of a pleasure craft looking forward. Draft, the depth of water which a pleasure craft requires to float freely. It is therefore necessary to have deeper water than the draft of the pleasure craft, so that it may easily float. Otherwise, it may run aground. Waterline, the line marked on the hull of the vessel that separates the submerged section of the vessel from the section above the water level. The waterline must never be submerged. Wake, the column of water around and behind a moving pleasure craft, which is set into motion by the pleasure craft advancing through the water. Hull, the main body of a vessel, from the deck down. It does not include rigging, superstructure, machinery, or equipment. Freeboard, the distance from the waterline to the upper deck level, measured at the lowest point of shear, where water can enter the boat or ship. PFD, Personal Flotation Device, is a personal buoyancy aid designed to provide an individual with additional floating ability while in the water. Life Jacket, comes only in red, orange, and yellow in order to make you much more visible while in the water. It has more floating ability than the PFD, with the added advantage of turning you on your back even while unconscious.